Today we're checking out one of the biggest and smallest truck campers on the market. Starting with the biggest is the Northern Light 10-2EX CD.
All right, so this is the Northern Light truck camper, and it takes a lot bigger truck to handle the payload. It takes a 3500 dually. But this truck camper has two side awnings, a ladder on the back, and some pretty impressive steps. Let's head inside. You'd think we were in a travel trailer because this looks like one, and you would never expect this to be in the bed of a truck. Up front, you have probably a queen-size bed. You have a TV, tons of storage, a skylight, a full U-shaped dinette. I mean, this is the size dinette that is in our camper. I mean, this is crazy, and there's no slide outs. This camper has solar as well, which is great because you can just pull into a Walmart parking lot. You don't have to hook up to any sort of power. You just run everything on the solar. Pretty amazing. Now, the only thing that I'm on the edge about is that the roof is carpeted, which just seems weird because whenever you rub it, stuff starts falling down out of the ceiling. We even got a window to see into the truck and a large storage door. Across the way is a full kitchen with a large sink, an oven, which is absolutely amazing, 3-burner cooktop, and you have a large refrigerator. And there is tons of cabinet space as well as a microwave. And then something that's impressive about this is that there is a full bath. Let's go check it out. This isn't a cabinet, it's a wet bath. Now, it's got everything. It's got a toilet, it's got a shower, and a sink, and a mirror. Now, the toilet might get wet, but that's what a wet bath is. So you have a little seat here for when you're showering. You have a shower curtain that folds up out of the way, and then you have your toilet, and you also have a sink with a pretty nice faucet, and a full-blown medicine cabinet. This is super impressive for a truck camper. I mean, it's amazing that this right here is in the bed of a truck. Wow, crazy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, so another great feature about this truck camper is that it's two pieces, a molded piece on the bottom and then a top cap. So you're not going to get leaks as easily with this one. All right, so now it is time for the smallest truck camper here at the show, and it is the Soaring Eagle. Let's go check it out. All right, so truck campers can be something that you need a large truck to actually carry the payload of it. But this is a tiny truck camper that it's so tiny that our camera guy can't even fit inside of it because it is so small inside. But this truck camper does have quite a bit to offer. You still get a microwave, a pretty large fridge, which is just amazing. And then you also get a dinette and a designated bed, which is just crazy that would fit in something this small. Now, what's the price? Well, that's the shocker. All right, so for all that this camper gives you, you at least get a king-size bed, it looks like. So pretty impressive for a truck camper this small. All right, so which one do you guys like? Do you like the big truck camper or the tiny one that fits in a small truck? Let me know in the comments down below. That right there is going to do it for touring the smallest and one of the biggest truck campers on the market. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, we'll see you on the road.